Hello, making our activated charcoal at home made easy. If this is what you desire to wash, let's get into it. In this video, I will be teaching us how to make our own activated charcoal step by step. Very simple, very easy. You don't need to keep patronizing vendor for this. These are some of the bits things you can do at home by yourself. Let's get to it to use. Okay, so this I have the wood charcoal here. Okay, I want to activate it so that we can use it for our face mask, so we can use it for our charcoal soap, so that we can use it for any other thing that activated charcoal is used for. So I'll be making this activated charcoal at home. Okay, let's get into it. What is this? I have the wood charcoal here. I know some use a coconut board to make their own activated charcoal, but I'll be using this ready-made that you can get at it anywhere in your environment to make it. So what is the first thing we're going to do? I'll be washing this my charcoal. I will wash it and then make it very clean. I pour my water here and I wash it. Okay, wash every possible impurity away from it. Okay, I wash it, I drain it. Okay, I go for the second rinsing. You can see that the water is not as dirty as the first one. Okay, so I remove these two. Go for the third rinsing. You see, the more you rinse it, the more the water becomes clearer. You can see the water is clearer than the first one. Okay, so what is the next thing I will do? I will still remove this water. So it's going like this. So what is the next thing? I'll be sun drying it. I spread it on a flat thing to sun dry it. When it's dry, I come back and we shall continue. Stay back, don't go anywhere. Okay, so this is the measurement of the weight, the measurement of the charcoal, 124 grams, so that we will know the quantity of the lime to put or the lemon to put. Okay, so we can go ahead now. The charcoal is dry, so I'll be grinding it to fine powder. Let's go there. Okay, I'll be putting the charcoal into the tin bag. Doesn't have to be polythene bag. Anywhere you can grind it to fine powder. Then you can use anything, any hard object to grind it. So I'll go ahead and grind it to fine powder. Okay. I've gotten the fine powder now. Okay, you should remember that after grinding it like this, we are still going to measure it so that we can get the exact powder we are using. Okay, so now if you can see it, initially it was 124. Now that we have pounded it, grinded it, we have 49. So our liquid we're going to use to be based on the 45, 49. So we now pour it back into this container. And so what is the next thing we're going to do? Okay, just stay by. Okay, so our fine powder is here. So what is next thing we are going to do? We'll be adding water to it. We're adding water. Okay, let's mix it. So we'll be adding there. I'll be adding 10 grams of lime to it. So this one is what is going to help us to activate it. So having done this, we're going to leave it. We leave it to activate very well for the next 24 hours. Okay, so when that one we have done that, I will come back to show us the result. So after If you have watched it this extent and you are yet to subscribe, just subscribe to get more. And each time you subscribe, please put on your notification bell so that each time I upload new content, you'll be among the first set of people that will do it. That will get my video. See you when it's activated. We'll come back to show it. Okay, this is the after the 24 hours. So what is the next thing we do? I drain off the water. I strain off the water from the lime water from it, and this is the result. This is the residue I got. And so this is the residue after removing the lime water. And what is the next thing to be done? So there is residue. It will be rinsed. We have to rinse off the lime from it also, and then which I did as many times as possible, but I did my own about 3 times to make sure it is really clean off from the lime. You can see me do this. If you have watched up to this and you are here to subscribe, please do subscribe and keep the notification bell on. So here is it after after rinsing it. We dry it and I regrinded it. Look at the fine powder.